We want to look at how to calculate percent of an isotope and or the atomic mass. It is suggested that you first read through this problem, pause this video, make sure that you know what we're going to do before you actually complete it with me or on your own. So according to the problem, it says that we have one isotope of copper, which has 62.939 AMU. Remember, AMU will only be used with this type of problem and with nothing else that we cover in this course. And it also says that this is at an abundance of 69.17%. We notice there's not another percentage in this problem. So the first thing I need to do is find out what is the percent of the other copper isotope. So I'm going to take 100 minus 69.17 to obtain 30.83%. So the 30.83% is of the copper that we don't know, which is the mass that we're looking for. So we need to find the actual mass from the periodic table, which is 63.546. So how do we put all this together? Well, if we know how much the copper weighs, we're going to write that down first. And then we're going to take the percentage in decimal form, multiply by its corresponding weight, and add to it the percentage of the other isotope times its weight, which we do not know, so we're going to label that as x. Now, I need to solve this equation for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply the two numbers together on the right. Remember that you do not want to round anything until you are completely finished with the problem. So this is what you should obtain. Now I want to get the x all by itself, so the opposite of addition is subtraction, so I need to subtract this 43 number from both sides. Which leaves me with 20.0110937, and that's going to equal everything in front of the x. Now, the opposite of multiplication is division, so you're going to divide both sides by everything that you see in front of the x. So remember, anything over itself reduces to 1, so this is just x on the right. On the left-hand side, I get 64.9078615. Now, how many significant figures do you want? Well, we go back to our original, which had a total of 4 in our percentage. So our answer can only have 4. So it's going to be 64.91 AMUs.